Well, I like solar because it's good for the environment and it saves people's money. I love solar because I get money back every quarter. And I think it's the way of the future. The less gas, the less carbon and the less emissions we put, it's time that the world started moving towards solar, and people have the opportunity now with the federal government rebates and that to actually get solar put on their roof at a right price. If you go for a cheaper product these days and your system sales in 5 years, that federal government rebate's not going to be all there. So a $10,000 or $12,000 system is going to be a $16,000 to $18,000 system. So you probably want to get it right first time, is my point of view. I've had solar on my place now for a year. I look forward to every quarter. I don't get a bill. It's free power from the sun. It just ticks over. It's just, you go on the thing, you have a look at your little app, you know you've made 30, 35 kilowatt hours per day, you know you've made more power, and they're not burning fuel over there at the power station to keep my house running. It's great. I think it's the best thing in the world. This is like this for 6 months of the year. Like, these solar systems, they actually make a lot of power actually even during the wet season when we do get clouding. I've monitored my system for a year. We get more sun, it's a lot hotter in the wet, but we still make a lot of power even when it's raining. But during the dry season, it's just every day, day after day, 30 kilowatts, 35, 36, 38 kilowatt hours every day. I'm only using 15 or 16, so it's just, it's crazy why you wouldn't do it. If you've got money sitting in the bank and you're getting 3% interest on it, why wouldn't you go to something that's going to give you a 20 to 22% return on your money?